Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Neha Gupta from Mediworld Fertility. What is natural IVF and what is conventional IVF? Natural IVF is when we are not giving you any gonadotropin injections. Whatever good follicle grows naturally in one cycle, we chase that follicle, and once it's mature, we give a trigger injection and do the retrieval. So natural IVF is done on one single follicle which grows naturally in the cycle. There are no gonadotropin stimulation that is done. In conventional IVF, we do super ovulation. We give you gonadotropin injections for allowing multiple eggs to grow. And with the help of these gonadotropin injections, once the follicle grows and matures, we take them out and do IVF or ICSI and form the embryo. So what is the difference between the two protocols? Natural IVF, because there is a single follicle, the chance for fertilization is not very high, and the success rate for natural IVF is somewhere around 20 to 30%. But when we talk about conventional IVF, the success rate is higher because we have multiple follicles and multiple embryos are formed, from which we can choose the best quality embryo and transfer. So the success rate for conventional IVF can range from say 50 to 60-70%. But in certain cases, we do recommend natural IVF in women who have low oocyte reserve or who are very young and only because of maybe male factor or tubal factor, they are not able to conceive. So in these special cases where we do not want multiple eggs, natural cycle IVF can also be recommended. So if you have any confusion or any doubts regarding these two protocols, you can come and meet us. We will be able to discuss and tell you what is the best way forward for you. Thank you.